keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello and welcome into 11 Connects. I'm your host, Samantha Bassarico, and today I'm with Marquesa. She's a realtor at the Platinum Group, and Dave is also with us. Thank you both for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
Our pleasure.
Yeah, so we're seeing colder weather. It's coming, winter. What should someone know to do for their home to prepare for this?
That's a great question, and homeowners know there's so many projects and tasks to do year-round, and it can feel overwhelming. What I like to do is break things down by season, and we're moving into the colder weather, which means there's some pretty significant things to stay on top of. So I have a Home Inspector Dave with Premier One here, and he's going to answer some of those questions for us.
Yes, no, my pleasure. I'd say one of the biggest issues that we come across as home inspectors this time of year and a little bit later on as deep freezes occur are sprinkler systems that are, people did not winterize their sprinkler system, and it can be a pretty expensive repair. So it's something that you want to do right now. The other thing we see is hoses attached to the hose spigots around the perimeter of a home. They will freeze and damage that hose bib, and in the springtime, that can also be a costly repair.
Yeah, and as far as that goes, I mean, people shouldn't put this off. Even inside the home, there are some interior things they should do because this is a health and safety.
Health and safety is huge. So one thing that I know people really run into this time of year is we're firing our heaters back up. And carbon monoxide is a real thing. We suggest that people have their furnaces checked and inspected.
Oh, absolutely. Carbon monoxide, it's a gas, it's odorless. Nobody knows it's existing until it's too late. So it's a really good idea to have your furnace checked by a professional. Also changing out your furnace filter. During the winter months, we recommend once a month changing out that filter. It sounds like a little excessive, but in reality, it's saving you a lot in your utility bill. And it also prevents those particulates from getting in the air that can cause you to have, coughs and irritation of the lungs during the winter months.
Yeah.
So highly recommended.
Yeah, that's interesting. And also, a home is, you say, your biggest asset. So people want to continue to do this maintenance and not put it off.
Absolutely. And one thing I see often is when people get ready to sell, that's when they start trying to do all the things they have ignored, and then the problem has become big. So if you just maintain your home gradually as you go, these little things generally don't cost much, rather than waiting for them to become a big problem, either when you're getting your home ready to list or when you're in the inspection phase and these things are coming up. Also, you want to provide a safe home for your family. So maintain your home, take good care of it. It's going to be better for you both short term and long term.
Yes, and you actually have a winter checklist for us, right?
Yes, ma'am. So if people would like to get my winter checklist, you can email me, you can text me, or you can go to my website and this will help you stay on top of it so you know exactly what you can do each winter or any other time of year.
Perfect. And then Dave, if people have any questions for you guys, if they do want to get a home inspection done, what is the best way to get in contact with you?
Oh, I so appreciate that. They can reach us directly at 719-217-9594, or they can look us up online at www.premieroneco.com.
Perfect. And basically, you don't want to put this off. Thank you both so much for joining me today.
Thank you for having us.
My pleasure.